Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this scrunchie with a charm. This scrunchie is cute and classy. The heart-shaped charm just adds that extra touch of pizzazz. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here's a list of materials you'll need. I would recommend taking a screenshot. The measurements is for a large size scrunchie. Start by placing the short side of the fabric with right sides together and sew. I am using the burrito method to create this scrunchie. Finger press the seams open and flip the fabric over. Roll up the top part of the fabric. Now connect the bottom piece of the fabric with the top. Secure the fabric together with clips. You want to sew along the top, ensuring the bottom piece of the fabric stays in place. Pull the inner fabric towards you as you continue to sew along the top. And about halfway through, we're going to be placing the white nylon cord into the scrunchie. Fold the cord in half and hold it in place with a clip. Lift up the foot and gently place the nylon cord next to the needle. Once you have it in place, place the foot down and remove the clip. To ensure the cord stays in place, I sew and backstitch about 4 or 5 times to ensure that the nylon cord does not fall out. Make sure to leave about an inch opening so you can pull out the fabric. I place the safety pin through the elastic, and I also anchor the elastic on the loop turner. I don't traditionally use the loop turner, I prefer the safety pin, but like I said, I use it as an anchor as I feed the safety pin through the scrunchie. Once the elastic is fed through the scrunchie, what I do is I tie a knot, making sure the elastic is secure inside the scrunchie. Sew along the top to close in the hole. Go ahead and trim any excess thread. Now it's time to add the charm to the scrunchie. First, I locate the nylon loop on the scrunchie. I decided to go with the white heart charm. I think that looks a little bit better with the pink color. I take one of the rings and hold the ring down with the plier and then push open with my thumbnail. Once I get the ring open, I loop it through the nylon cord and hold it tight. Then I add the heart charm to the open ring. I go ahead and close up the loop with the plier, make sure it's nice and even. And there you go. You now have a scrunchie with a heart charm. Here's a closer look at the scrunchie. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I'm just obsessed with these charms. Here's another scrunchie that I made with the same method. This scrunchie right here has a ghost charm, just in time for Halloween. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you check out my most recent video where I make scrunchies out of fabric with little cows on it. I'll catch you in my next video.